If sleep supplements feel like the Wild West in clinical practice, you are not imagining it. I'm Dr. Nishi Bhopal. I'm a board-certified sleep physician and integrative psychiatrist with over a decade of experience supporting patients with sleep issues. Our patients are already taking magnesium, melatonin, adaptogens, and proprietary blends, often without any guidance. Yet most physicians receive less than 2 hours of sleep education in training. In my talk, I'll walk you through how I approach sleep supplements as a sleep physician, how to think about dosing, indications, contraindications, and when supplements help and when they can actually cause harm. We'll use real-world case examples, review supplement categories and brand considerations, and we'll focus on practical tools that you can actually use in clinic, not just theory. This isn't about replacing evidence-based sleep medicine, but it's about bringing order to the Wild West and giving clinicians a clear, structured framework for integrating sleep supplements safely and effectively. If you're ready to move beyond trial and error, I'll see you there.